Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the country or region on your iPhone in a quick and simple way so you can update your regional settings or use the App Store for a different country. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Language and Region. Here, you'll see the Region option. Just tap on it and you'll see a list of different countries and regions. So if you've moved to another country, for example, you can simply choose your new country from the list and confirm the change. Now, there's something important to keep in mind. This changes the region for your iPhone, but it doesn't change the country or region connected to your App Store account. So if you're trying to change the country for the App Store, let's go ahead and do that as well. Go back to Settings and tap on your Apple account at the top. From here, tap on Media and Purchases, and then select View Account. Once you're in your account settings, tap on Country/Region. Here, you'll see the country or region currently connected to your App Store account. Tap on Change Country or Region, and you'll be able to choose a different one. Now, before you can make this change, there are a few things you may need to take care of first. For example, Apple may require you to cancel your active subscriptions, use any remaining account balance, or complete other requirements before you can change your country or region. Once everything is ready, choose your new country or region and simply follow the instructions that appear on the screen. And that's it. Now you know how to change the country or region on your iPhone, both for the phone itself and for the App Store.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.